This is lesson 151, number skills. Okay, I'm going to go to the first slide. On this slide, it has a bunch of flashcards, addition flashcards. Now, I wanted to look at this first one. We have a 0 and a 9. Which one is the biggest? 9. That's right. So, if you have 9 cookies and somebody didn't give you any more, how many do you have? You still have the 9 cookies that you started with, right? So I'm going to go up here and get my pencil, and I'm going to write 9 here. Okay. Here, the biggest number is 8. If you add one more, let's see, say 8. Now what comes next? 9. So if you add 1 to 8, it's 9. Oh wow, we got 2 9s. Interesting. Which one's bigger? 2 or 7? 7. So we'll start from 7 and we'll count 2 more. Remember, this one's worth 2. So let's count from 7. Say 7. 7, 8, 9. Oh, we have 3 9s. Isn't that cool? I wonder. Well, this next one has a 3, so I'm going to put the 3 dots on the 3 points of the 3. That sounds kind of strange, but that's the way I do it. Which one's bigger? It's a 6. So we're going to say 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now we have 4 9s. I wonder how many 9s we're going to get. Well, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I did that on the 4 because the 5 is bigger. We're going to start from the 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we've got a whole row of 9s. I'll bet the bottom ones aren't going to be the same. Let's see. Which one's bigger, the 5 or the 4? 5 is bigger, so we're going to count. We're going to count from 5, and we're going to count 4 more. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have another 9, don't we? Okay, here we go with a 9. I'm kind of thinking this is a pattern. Let's do the next one. 6, 7, 8, 9. It looks like a pattern, doesn't it? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, so 7, 8, 9. Hey, we got a pattern. 8. Yep, you said it. 9. 9. Nothing more, and then that's 9. Okay, this is actually called the 9 addition family. That's because all of the answers end in 9 or are 9. So all these numbers add up or equal to 9. So 5 and 4 equals a 9. So each one of these cards equals 9. It's very interesting. Let's go on to the next slide, and we have some money. Now, we have dimes and we have nickels. Do you remember what we count by when we count dimes? Did you say 10? I hope so, because we count 10s. Are you ready? And this is the heads, that's the tails. We're going to use both. I'm going to put a string of money out here, a string of dimes, and we're going to count them as we go. What do we count? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, we have how many cents? 70 cents. Let's count them again just to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I'm going to go up here and get my pen. Well, it's a pencil, pen, whichever. 70, what was that? 70 pencils. No, 70 cents. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to get my pointer, and then I'm going to come down here. These are nickels, and what do we count by? 5s, that's right. Okay, so we're going to count 5s. And we're going to count to 70, but we're going to count fives, okay? Let's see how many it takes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Wow, we have a lot more nickels than we do dimes, but this one still adds up to 70 cents, even though it's more, because you don't count by bigger numbers. Sorry about that. These you count by tens. These are half of that, so these are 5. So it takes 2 times this many. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 nickels. So it takes a lot more nickels than it does dimes. Okay, those are going to go back. Let's look at our paper. And on our paper, we have addition on the top. And you guys are good at that, so I'm just going to let you do that by yourself. We're going to go down here to the clock. Okay, so we always look at the shorter hand first. And it's pointing almost to the what? The 11. It's just past 11, so that means it's just past 11 o'clock. So we're going to put in this first box, what are we going to put in? Number 11. Okay, now we have to count by fives. You remember how to count by fives? We just did that with nickels. We're going to start from here, and then we're going to jump and say by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15. Now what does a 15 look like? Well, it's a teen, and teens always start with a 1. That's right. And a 15 is a teen that's a fifth. What's a fifth? A fifth is a 5. Okay, so we have 11, 15. Very good. This one over here says, draw the dimes you need to make or to buy the popsicle. And it's worth how many cents? 30 cents. So I'm going to go up here and use silver because dimes are silver. So what do we count when we count by count dimes? We count by tens. Okay, are you ready? Make a dime and go 10, 20, and what's this one? 30. So let's count it again. 10, 20, 30. So how many dimes does it take to buy the popsicle? It takes 3 dimes because they're 10 each. Okay, so we're good there. On this next one, let me clear that. On this next one here, I'm going to go up here and get a darker color. I'm going to get gray, dark gray. So it says, write from 1 to 30 to complete the calendar. Your teacher will tell you where to begin. So we are at the very end of April, but we're going to go ahead and make this an April calendar. Okay, because we're almost at the end of it, but I don't want to do May yet. So here we go. We started this month of April on a Wednesday. We didn't start it here. This is Monday, Tuesday. We started it here. So put a 1 on the Wednesday, top of the Wednesday column. After you do I can't talk straight. After you do that one, then you go to the next one and make, what comes after 1? 2. And then 3. And then 14, right? No, 4. That's right. And I need to make my pencil a little bit smaller. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't go down here. We go to the next row. We don't do this because we already have numbers in there. So these 3 have to be blank. So we go to the second row. And what comes after 4? 5. So we've got 5, and then 6 and 7. Remember, you can slow this down if you need to. 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we should have 11 when you get to the end there. Now we have to go to the next row, but we have to start at the beginning because we always start this way and go here. So after 11 comes 12, because that's the 1 teen. This is the 2 teen. What comes after the 2 teen, which we call 12? It would be the 13. And then the 14, the teen that's the 4. And then the 15. And the 16. Remember to put the 1 first, because teens always start with a 1. So even though you say 6 first, you have to write the 1 first. And then we have the 17. There's a teen. This is 7. And then we have a 18, which is a teen, 8. So now we go back to the beginning. We have 16, 17, 18, 19. Put the 1 first. Always put the 1 first. And after 19, we're at the end of the teen family. So if we're counting on our number columns, we have the ones column, the teens column, and then the what column? 20 column. So that would be the next family. So 19, 20, 21, because we're in the 20 family, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And we have only 30 days in April. So now we're going to go to the other side, and I only have about 2 minutes to explain this to you. And this is a fun one. It says fun with numbers. Freddy Frog wants to hop to the log. Color the lily pads as you count by 5s from 5 to 50. Then color the frog and turtle. Okay, so I'm going to get my color, and I think I'm going to color them green. So here we go, 5. So we color that one. Now we have a 10 here and a 10 here, but if we say 5, 10, what comes next? 15. So 5, 10, 20, oops, 5, 10, 15. So we have to go this way. So you have to kind of look ahead on it. And then where do we go? 5, 10, 15, 20. 21? Nope, we have to go over this way. Okay, so you have to kind of look ahead as you're doing it. And remember, if you need to look at your number chart, you can do that. Okay, 25, 30, 35. What comes after 35? 40. And then what? 45. And then 50. Okay, we did manage to get it all done in our time that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that, and you get to do that color of the frog and the turtle, and I will see you later. Don't forget to watch the science video today. Bye-bye.